Hey everyone, it's Christina from Emotion Designs. We're going to press these cute little Play-Doh holders. These fit the 1 ounce tub of Play-Doh, and these ones have a nice matte finish and a wood back. So this is a really cute idea for Valentine's this year. So we're just going to get these ready. I've made some designs and I'm just going to tape these on. Okay, there we go. Our MDF now comes with this film on it that tells you there's a film, which is really nice. So we're going to peel that off. These are new designs that we're just testing before we add them to our Etsy shop. Just going to line them up. They have a little bleed area, so it makes it really easy to line up. Oops. That's a lot of tape. So they're all taped up, and we're just going to flip that over. And let's see how it goes. We'll be pressing these at 365 for 55 seconds with very light pressure. So here we go. You can find these blanks, and there's also a link for the Play-Doh containers on our website. We'll post a link in the comments if anyone's interested. I think these are going to be so cute. I can't wait to see them.
I keep thinking about the mess the kids are going to make. Play-Doh. I remember Play-Doh.
They're tiny containers. It's only 1 ounce. So, but I mean, still, it's fun. And
yeah. There'll be Play-Doh in your seats and Play-Doh on your couch.
Okay, there's our countdown. 1 and done. Okay, and we'll pull this out. On a heat glove. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Here's the first one.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
And I'll just rip them off, that's easier.
That is really cool.
Hold on 1 second. Look how adorable that is. I chose matte for these blanks because I thought that it might be easier to write on for the kids if they're going to write with like a permanent marker, or you know, it just gives it a whole different look. I kind of like it. Oh, that's so
really
adorable.
cute.
I'm trying to get this off my finger.
That's really good.
Okay, so there they are. I hope you all like them, and I hope you all like this video. We will talk to you all soon. Take care.